Today we are going to learn about prime and composite numbers. When we learn about prime and composite numbers, we want to think about factors and multiples. So a prime number would be a number like 3. A prime number only has the factors of 1 and itself. 1 times 3 is the only multiplication equation that equals 3. 7 would be another prime number because 7 only has the factors of 1 and itself, 1 and 7. 3 and 7 are prime. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors, so they have more factors than just 1 in itself. 10 is a composite number. 10 has the factors of 1 and 10, as well as 2 and 5. 16 is also a composite number. 16 has the factors of 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and then 4 times 4. Any number with more than 2 factors, factors that aren't 1 in itself, is composite. Numbers with only 2 factors, 1 times that number, are prime.